Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Fashion Hub. I hope you all are doing great, doing well, doing good. Stay blessed, stay happy, stay tuned to my channel. God bless you all. I'm here again with one of your another favorite topic I know you are waiting for. So guys, your wait is over. I'm here again with one of your another favorite topic and beautiful video that is about metallic decor, buckles, heels pumps with new fashion, new style and new colors. I am presenting all the beautiful sandals with decor sandals and decor buckles with mid length and mid heels, long heels, chunk heels with beautiful fashion color. Some of them pumps are made of with leathers, some of them are made of with medicated. These all pumps and beautiful heels are really comfortable that after wearing them you will feel more comfortable and you can spend long time a day like 7 to 8 hours easily, and after wearing them you will be ready to go anywhere anytime like public places, to colleges, to offices, to fashion shows, to weddings, to receptions, to anywhere to get together in kitty parties as well. So guys, I will suggest you to watch this video till the end. In this way you can get your favorite color of fashion heels, of pumps and fashion style. And keep watching, keep supporting and keep sharing the channel, keep supporting me as well. Also, if you like the video, then share this video to your friends, family members and social contacts. In this way they will get updated with fashion and trend. I will be there in next video. Till then, take care yourself, and again don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.